our land. Here in this hallowed ground that has borne witness to the unfolding story of our nation, across Kilometer Zero, where everything begins. As the founder of the Salute to a Clean Flag movement, a non-political private sector initiative with a mission to reignite love of country, starting with ensuring that only clean and pristine flags are displayed across the country. I am honored to speak to you about something deeply symbolic. Not just the flag itself, but the art behind its creation and what it represents for us as a people. The Philippine flag was not simply conceived, but it was crafted with meticulous artistry, from choosing the fabric, ensuring the perfect shades of blue for peace, kapayapaan, truth, katotohanan, and justice, justisya. Red for patriotism, pagmamahal sa bayan and valor, kagitingan. And white for liberty, kalayaan, equality, pagkakapantay-pantay, and fraternity, samahan. And embroidering it with the sun and the stars with precision. This flag was built with intention, meaning, and care because before it was presented to the people for all to see and for all to stand beneath. In many ways, the journey of our flag mirrors the journey of any artist. Through patience, persistence, and trust, in the process, a masterpiece is born, and so it is with our nation. We, as a people, are all artists in our own way, contributing different skills, intentions, and actions. And we are collectively shaping the Philippines into what it is meant to be. As the late President Fidel V. Ramos said, nation building is never easy and never ending. But we must trust the process. That is why the flag ceremonies like this are very important. When we stop and salute our flag, we are not just paying respect to a symbol, but we are reminding ourselves of our collective civic duty to vote, to study, and to discern our leaders' credentials and intentions, because we are reaffirming our commitment to a country that honors its history, its people, and its future. So today, as we stand beneath our flag this National Arts Month, let us remember the artistry that brought it to life, and let it inspire us to do our civic duties with integrity and passion. So together, we make this country great. Mabuhay!
Maraming salamat po, Binibining Pranove. Nais din namin pasalamatan ang aming mga partners na naghandog ng tulong at suporta sa programang ito. Philippine Coast Guard Medical Service, Metropolitan Manila Development Authority, Manila District Traffic Enforcement Unit, Manila Police District, at Philippine Air Force Civil Military Operations Group. Atin nga pong natunghayan ang pagpupugay sa